Well, hey everybody, this is Farmer Dale, and that's one name I go by. There's multiple names that I go by, but hey, this video is our intro video to let you know how we became Farmer Delivery. Um, this was not our plan. We had no plan to become a small market farm garden, and but it just kind of happened because several things occurred during COVID. So I'm a full time teacher, PE teacher. I am a coach, and I'm also an athletic director for a school here in Memphis, Tennessee. So, but during COVID, we got stuck at home, and we're like, what are we going to do? We couldn't go to school. We were trying to teach school on Zoom and other avenues, but we didn't get to go to school. So I had a lot of time on my hands, and I already grew a small little garden. And my brother-in-law came up with the idea that I should sell our vegetables, and I'm like, I guess we can give that a try. So that's how it all started, and then we started thinking about names. What are we going to name ourselves, and how we're going to put this out to the public that we're selling vegetables. And through COVID, of course, the big thing was delivery, or curbside delivery, or pickup, whatever it might be. So we decided that we would start a delivery system for our vegetables, and we put it on Facebook, we put it on Instagram, and all of a sudden we were selling out on a daily basis, just putting it out on Facebook, and we were making deliveries all over town, Fayette County, Tiffany County, Shelby County. We were making deliveries left and right, spending a lot of time making deliveries. That's where the name Farmer Delivery came about, because we took delivery, we took my first name, and we combined those to make another word. I'm pretty sure that that's pretty impressive by many of you. But anyway, my brother-in-law came up with that idea, so I give him props for that. So that's how Farmer Delivery got to be in existence, and we have steadily grown more and more vegetables every year. And then 2 years ago, we sold at the farmers market in Arlington, Tennessee for 2 or 3 times, and that was very successful. It was a good run for us. And then last season, we sold at S.Y. Wilson in downtown Arlington every Saturday for about 8 weeks, 8, 9 weeks, I believe it was. And it was unreal. The people that came out to buy our vegetables, to meet and greet, I think that was one of the best things that we've done, was that we started selling at farmers market there in Arlington, and and it was just a blessing. That's why Wilson was great to us, very hospitable to us, took very good care of us, and people from all over the place were coming to see us from many different counties. So it was pretty awesome. We sold out just about every week, and we didn't have enough of this, and we didn't have enough of that, and we had a lot of requests. We were still making deliveries also during the week, but we sold at the farmers market on Saturday. But during the week, we'd make a few deliveries here and there for certain things. So that's how Farmer Delivery got to be about. And our plans in the future is that we are going to continue the farmers market. We're going to continue making deliveries, and we are growing many different things this next year. But we're going to stay with our staples. We're going to stick with our tomatoes. We're sticking with our squash and zucchinis and all that, and peas and all that kind of stuff too. Um, so that's how Farmer Delivery got to be about, and we look forward to servicing you with more and more vegetables in the future. And we hope that you stick with us, and we hope that you stick with our YouTube channel. Make sure you like us and subscribe. We need you to subscribe so we can get some more viewers. So um, everything that I've learned has either been from experience, has been from another YouTube channel, another farmer on YouTube channel, a small market farmer, saying this is how we grow things. This is how we start our plants. We have gotten in the business of a big grow room. Both my kids moved out, by the way, so I took over one of the big bedrooms, and I turned it into a large grow room, and we're going to talk about those in future videos, and kind of show you how we do that. By all means, I don't know a whole lot about farming, but everything that I've learned has been from someone else. So I take what I learn, I apply that. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But I hope this YouTube channel can be um, somewhat of a, good learning tool for some other people on YouTube. You can also go on Instagram. You can also go on Facebook, and you can also go on TikTok. We're on all of those platforms, and you can check us out doing different videos. So we hope that y'all help us out, subscribe and like, and watch all our other videos. Farmer Dale.